Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Theresa and I am a data scientist here in Germany. In today's vlog, I am going to discuss about the common roles of a data scientist as well as to share some insights on how much data scientists really earn here in Germany. So in order to discuss the role, I made a simple text analysis. So I scraped 980 jobs from Indeed.com and analyzed their job descriptions and apply a machine learning algorithm to see what are the common requirements for a data science job. So I also include other jobs, not just data scientists per se, but other jobs like data analyst, business intelligence, business analyst, data architect, or data engineer. One of the most common topics jobs requires data scientists to know is the knowledge of big data. So big data knowledge is very important because a lot of companies now are producing a lot of data, as well as this data are very complex that they cannot be handled by the traditional database that we have, like for example SQL. This kind of data are very difficult to handle by the traditional databases. So knowledge on the big data technologies such as Hadoop or the Hadoop ecosystem will really give you an edge in applying for a data science jobs. Example of technologies that in the Hadoop ecosystem is Spark, Hive, HBase, Oozie, Drill, or big data tools such as Tableau, ClickSense or Power BI. These are also very good tools to explore your data and to make reports and visualize your big data. The second requirement is that data scientists should know how to code. So depending on the task given to you, so a data scientist should learn how to code and integrate their codes to a data product they're developing. So a lot of companies are making data products these days, and it is expected that data scientists would not only learn how to make models, but also integrate these models to the data product. So example of the tools that you're going to be using to integrate your codes to the data product is Docker or Kubernetes. So other requirement is that they want the data scientist to be a team player. So hard skills are important, but so are the soft skills. Companies want the data scientist to be experienced as well as a good team player. The data scientist should not only have a technical knowledge, but also should know how to communicate, because you are communicating results to a non-technical person like the stakeholders or your manager, which maybe in most cases don't have that much idea about the algorithms that are using. So you have to explain the algorithms to them, because they are the one who's gonna drive decisions, right? Based on the data that you're providing them, or based on the decision that your algorithm is providing you. Yeah, so you have to communicate these decisions. So you have to communicate the results of the algorithm to them. And so as a requirement, you have to have the soft skills like the communication skills. It is also very important that data scientists should keep on learning and read a lot of articles, especially research papers about the newest technologies, or they could also say it like the state-of-the-art technologies on AI. So that's very important skills to have, and it's a very good habit to always learn about new technologies. And lastly, they want data scientists to have a knowledge in the infrastructure as a service. So common platforms are AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. Another requirement is that a data scientist should learn their frameworks, so at least the common frameworks like TensorFlow, and then the common libraries like Pandas, NumPy, the scikit-learn. So these are the common ones. And yeah, they also require the data scientist to learn or to know how to use Git. So in order for the data scientists to collaborate with the other programmers. So yeah, so those are the common requirements for the jobs that I analyzed from Indeed.com. And so moving on to the salary. So this is not my salary, and yeah, I just want to inform you, the median salary of a data scientist here in Germany. So I checked payscale.com, and so the median salary of a data scientist is around 56,000 euros per year. So of course it depends on the years of experience. So the longer your experience as a data scientist, the bigger your salary is. From payscale.com, if your experience is less than 1 year, so you will earn somewhere 50,000 euros per year. So if your experience is around 1 to 4 years, so your salary is around 56k. Yeah, if your experience is 5 to 9 years, then you will have 65k or more. So these salaries really depends on your nature of work, and at the same time it depends on how large or small your company is, and yeah, what industry you're in. So I think if you are in IT, I think it's bigger compared to other industries. Yeah, so if you have 10 to 19 years of experience, which is like a real or senior data scientist, then you have like 72k euros per year and above. So the figures that I showed you is only for Germany. Of course, if you're living in other countries, the rate would be different. In the US, for example, I think the rate would be higher. And if you are from other country, the rate would also be maybe lower. Yeah, so that's just the figures here in Germany, and I think I can assure that it's a bit true, at least for the data scientists that have like experience from 1 to 5 years. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you find it useful. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye!